Are you ready to dive deep into the world of ARM assembly, architecture, and microarchitecture? Join our exclusive live webinar sessions on January 14th and 21st from 7 to 10 p.m. IST and embark on a journey towards mastering these critical tech skills. Our course offers an extensive 6-hour live webinar, complete with lifetime access to recordings. Immerse yourself in a range of topics from processor fundamentals to complex concepts like out-of-order processors and multi-threading. Enhance your learning with practical assignments and labs, designed to solidify your understanding of key concepts in a real-world context. Receive a certificate upon course completion, adding a valuable asset to your professional profile. Delve into ARM ISA, instructions, and condition flags. Understand ARM ALU, assembly for branches, loops, functions, stack, and registers. Explore single-cycle and multi-cycle ARM processors, including their performance aspects. Gain insights into pipelined processors, micro-operations, branch prediction, and more. Learn about advanced topics like CMD, multi-threading, multiprocessors, memory systems, caches, and virtual memory. Limited seats available, so book your seat today.